If you're using Microsoft Access or planning to hire a developer to build a custom database, understanding the difference between ACCDB and ACCDE files is essential. Knowing how these file types work can save time, money, and frustration, especially when it comes to updates, maintenance, and protecting your investment. Let's start with the ACCDB file. It's the standard, editable Microsoft Access database format used in Access 2007 through Microsoft 365. This file includes everything: forms, reports, queries, VBA code, and relationships. It's the developer's working file. If you lose your ACCDB file, you lose the ability to modify or fix your database, so it must always be securely backed up. The ACCDE file, on the other hand, is the compiled version. It locks down the database, removing access to the underlying code. This makes it ideal for deployment. Users can run the system, but can't modify the design or VBA logic. However, you can't convert an ACCDE back to an ACCDB, so always keep your original editable file. If you're hiring a developer, always ensure your deliverables include the editable ACCDB file, not just the compiled version. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we've worked with every version of Access since the beginning. We help businesses manage, convert, and secure their database files. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to learn how WSI can help you manage your Access database with confidence.